rainy days like this one, it's the city's
Get a
drainage
storm drain.
system that prevents
Jennifer's
water
Eric
from
Doctor
getting
when rain
into
flows in.
the
It's hard to
water.
Sebuah kediaman di Kampung Paya Kenangan Johor Bahru ditenggelami air susulan banjir kilat pada malam Selasa. Hujan lebat berterusan bermula jam 7 malam menyebabkan paras air naik dengan mendadak sehingga ke paras pinggang.
So in Malaysia, we have made a survey about the losses caused by floods. When we look at this pie chart, in 2021 and 2022, the highest losses are public assets and infrastructure. In 2021, as much as 2.0 billion was lost, while in 2022, it decreased by 232.7 million. One of the causes caused is the drainage system doesn't work properly because of clogging and blockages that caused from a garbage. If we don't avoid this thing from happen, the stagnant drain water can be spread out from the drain and cause the flood and affect community or people health. So how do we reduce this flood from happening? So we have created drain cleaners to reduce the risk of flooding. One of factors that cause water to rise through the drain are the inability of a water drainage system that is not capable of accommodating a large volume of water, and the amount of rain will cause existing litter, such as dry leaves or plastic, and overflowing onto the roads. So, we have thought a solution. We have created our project with the hope to create a comprehensive project to handle clogged drain. The problem that occurs in the drain is that the drain is blocked due to too much garbage that causes it to accumulate, and the drainage system will be blocked, and also the problem when we're trying to collect garbage in the drain. The objective we want to achieve is to design and develop technological drain cleaning project and speed up the drain cleaning process. Scope of our project is to prevent rubbish from clogging in the drainage system. In this scenario, our project can handle rubbish weight up to 10 kilograms. We believe in the waste cycle. The garbage can be last longer, at least for 3 to 5 days, depending on the season. In addition, other scope that we focus for this project is the expectancy lifespan for our project can be between 3 until 5 years. For the last scope that we're focusing is, this project must be serviced every 5 months to increase their lifespan and improve their efficiency, and which includes the movement and electrical systems. As a result, our project can function properly and more advanced compared to other drain cleaner that have in a market, because our project includes the IoT system, which is according to the current circulation, which is IR 4.0. As for the design, there are 3 important parts of our project, the first of which is electrical storage. In the electrical storage, there is a wiring system that used for movement system, which requires batteries, wiring systems, sensors, and also an Arduino Uno. But don't worry, the storage for the electrical system has a waterproof space, so if it rains or exposed to any water, it doesn't affect anything to our project. In addition to that, for the movement mechanism system, we have a power window motor, a chain drive, and a sprocket that placed in both sides of the frame to move the hook. The last part is the garbage bin that works to store the garbage transported by the hook. The garage bin also works to filter the water that stagnates in the garbage. Material and pot selection. First is frame. The reason why we use material hollow mild steel for our frame is because our concept is portable. Because of our concept is portable, we should use something that's not really heavy and not really light. After we compare with other materials such as stainless steel, normal steel, and this mild steel could be rust or become corrosion, but we use a spray epoxy coating for our frame. This spray can increase the lifespan of the material frame, because this spray was manufactured to resist rust and prevent corrosion. Next is chain drive and sprocket. We use chain drive as a mechanical system to transmit power or motion for our project. The reason why we use this chain drive as a media to transmit power and motion is because it's more efficient for the movement's mechanism compared to other. We also use a belt drive as it transmits power and motion, but we should know our project will be located inside the water and inside drainage that will be full with sharp material such as tin, glass, or anything that have a sharp surface that will make the belt torn or tear. because of the material belt is rubber. Other thing is belt drive more expensive compared to chain drive set. I know everyone that hear me right now will think that if we put the chain inside the water, doesn't it make the chains and sprockets rust? Yes, it will become rust. That's why we have a schedule for a regular maintenance to prevent the chain and sprocket rust. We can use anti-corrosion spray to maintain the lifespan of the chain and sprocket. We also using IoT system, which is at water level sensor. As we already know, we cannot predict the height of drain water at all times, so we decide to put water level sensor which has been coded by us, and make sure we can know the drain water level if it reaches at a dangerous level. When it reaches at certain level like 30 centimeters, it will give us notification and alarm to our app's BuyLink. That means it already reaches at a dangerous level. We use the power window motor because it's a relatively simple component that provides power to a series of gears, which are responsible for pushing the window glass up or pulling it down. In addition, we use motorcycle battery to generate power to a power window that will be used to make sure our mechanism movements run smoothly. This is a potential target market that will be the target of our investment.